I'm Dr. Leonaura Rhodes, a physician turned brain health expert and life coach, and host of the Mindful Medics podcast. I specialize in helping individuals optimize their brain health and design a life they will love. I love being a guest on podcasts, and here's just a sample of the shows I've been on. I can't wait to share my insights with you.
This is Dr. Leonaura Rhodes. She's a life coach who regularly works closely with corporate executives, but she began her career as a doctor and trained in neuroscience.
If you're obsessed with the pursuit of what you perceive to be perfection, then there is a massive downside to that. When you are getting such high peaks of dopamine from one source, it means it's very hard to get it from other sources.
Our guest today is Dr. Leonaura Rhodes, a distinguished physician, public health expert, neurotherapist, and certified brain health coach.
The individual perspective, taking responsibility for your own health. You have been gifted one body. You need to look after it, and you need to take that extremely seriously. We can prevent many of these illnesses if we fall in love with our brain and take it seriously as early as possible, and that begins today.
Welcome to the Minimal Mom Podcast. Dawn reaches 1 million women each month with practical tips to simplify your home. Today, Dawn is joined by Leonaura Rhodes, a physician turned life coach specializing in life design, brain health, and mental fitness. She has worked with thousands of people from all walks of life, from movie producers, CEOs, and physicians to stay-at-home parents and parents of children with special needs. She is passionate about helping people overcome stress and create the happy, healthy, fulfilling, abundant lives they dream of.
This guy said to me, your book, which was called Beyond Soccer Mom, is going to do so well because women are really selfish these days. But quite the opposite is true. It's important that you thrive for your child. You are not here to be a martyr and to sacrifice yourself to your child. I believe that every now and again, we have to kind of take a look at our life and decide who we are, because our identity is shifting all the time. And I had mental health problems then. I had a period of time where I was thinking about harming myself. My job was so awful and I was getting bullied and just kind of grim times. I look back now and I realize I had no tools, even though I'd been through medical school and psychiatry training. I left hospital medicine, became a general practitioner. That was my dream job. And within weeks, I realized I hated it. And it was kind of one of those be careful what you wish for moments where it was what I'd always wanted to do. And I started doing it and I was like, oh my God, I can't do this for the rest of my life.
Leonaura, you have also written a few books. One is called Beyond Soccer Mom. And then more recently, you wrote a book called Life by Design. Can you tell us what they're about?
Yeah. So Beyond Soccer Mom was the book that I wanted when my kids were little and I was really unhappy with my life. You know, I loved being a mother. I had to give up my career because my kids were both sick and they needed me to be around for them. But I kind of went into a spiral of kind of losing confidence, total disruption of identity. I felt like I didn't know who I was, and it was a very difficult period. So I wrote the book that I wished I'd had then.
Thank you for watching and considering me as a guest on your podcast. I can't wait to speak with you soon. Bye for now.